Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Sarah and I will be your guide, and I'm glad you've decided to join me today. This meditation is not intended as a cure, but to help you manage your symptoms and your pain. If you would like to know more about healing and energy medicine, you can look for my books on Amazon or anywhere quality books are sold. This is a Reiki Infused guided meditation to assist you in releasing pain and physical discomfort associated with IBS. This is based on a meditation I use for my clients that is very successful in releasing discomfort and pain. For this simple meditation, we will visualize ourselves lying back, relaxing on a blanket, and looking up at a beautiful tree with its leaves spread against the sky, blowing in the gentle morning breeze. This is an easy meditation anyone can do, but please don't listen to this while you're driving or doing anything that requires your full focus. Please find a comfortable position. You don't have to force yourself to lie flat if that isn't comfortable. Let's take a few deep breaths into the nose and exhale slowly out through the mouth like we're blowing out a candle. Let's do this together. Let's breathe in, hold, and exhale. Nice, easy, gentle breaths. Let's do it again. Breathe in and exhale. Nice and easy. Good. Now just breathe normally and allow your thoughts to settle. If you feel comfortable closing your eyes, please do so now. If not, it's fine to watch the screen. This is a Reiki Infused meditation, which means you will receive a mini Reiki treatment as you listen. The Reiki is embedded in the music, the sound, and of course my voice. You may feel a slight tingle or a comfortable warmth on your skin. This can last for hours after listening to the meditation as the Reiki continues to work. And if you don't feel anything, that's okay too. That doesn't mean it's not working. We are all different and we process energy differently. Let's begin by giving ourselves permission to relax. Say to yourself, I give myself permission to relax. I give myself permission to relax. Good. In your mind's eye, see yourself sitting calmly on a fluffy blanket. You're comfortable, relaxed, and at ease. A gentle peacefulness washes over you. You feel comfortable and relaxed. You're pain-free. Your body is at ease. You smell the scent of a fresh cut lawn, and you can hear water bubbling in the background. The sound is coming from a small fountain, and you relax even deeper just thinking about it. You stretch your arms to release any tension you're holding and roll your back just a bit as you relax further and go deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation and peace. If it's comfortable now, lay back on the blanket to look up at the sky. It's early morning and you have all the time in the world. There's a gentle breeze blowing and the ambient temperature is perfect. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's a beautiful morning. There's no need to rush as you lay back and just watch the leaves dance in the breeze. You feel at peace and rested as you feel the earth under you, even through the soft blanket. The earth is supporting you, cradling you, being there for you, accepting your pain, accepting your burdens. If stray thoughts come up, no worries. Just become aware of them, but don't attach to them. Think of them as you would clouds floating by in the morning sky. You notice them, but you don't become attached to them. Good. Let's take a moment and just allow this energy to flow and be fully present here in this safe spot we've created, lounging on the blanket, feeling the gentle breeze under the morning sky. You are safe and protected here. This is a sacred spot where you can relax and release any pressure or any pain you're holding on to. You're comfortable here. You're grounded with the earth like the tree, which means you feel stable. You feel connected to the earth and to the energy flowing around you. You can release your burdens. You can release any stress or anxiety that you're carrying, and you can release your pain now. This is your time to relax. Open yourself to the morning and all the possibilities. Good. Breathe normally and allow any pain or discomfort or unease lift off of you. Allow it to float up into the sky and away. It's carried off by the gentle breeze. The earth will take this energy and transmute it into healing energy that is needed elsewhere. Just release it and relax. Allow yourself to be in this moment. I'm going to count backwards from 5, and we'll be back in the present moment. But you will carry this feeling of peace and balance back with you for the rest of the day. 5, you hear the sounds around you. 4, open your eyes fully and watch the leaves on the screen. 3, feel your body. 2, give a little stretch where you are and feel the wonder that is your body. 1, you're fully back in the here and now. And now open yourself to the world around you. What do you see? What do you feel? How does your body feel? Are you more relaxed and at peace? Good. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful morning guided meditation. If you did, let me know in the comments section below. And of course, as always, please subscribe for more Reiki Infused meditations. I'll speak to you soon. Reiki Blessings.